Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log out from Lazada account. To log out from Lazada account, you have to visit the official website or tap open the Lazada application where you are logged in. Once you are in the home page, tap on the account section located on the bottom right. Here, tap on settings icon located on the top right. Here you can see various options to view your account information, payment setting, address book, messages, your country, your language that you prefer. You can set the mode to dark mode. You can check your account security, policies, get help, provide feedback. And in the last, you will see logout option. Tap on logout and this pop-up will appear. Tap on logout for confirmation. And here you go, you have been successfully logged out from Lazada account. You can log back into your Lazada account either by the website or the application using your desired methods, either by entering your phone number using your Facebook account, your Google account, or Line account. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.